Hello, are you Leo?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Nicole from BOTB.
Oh my God.
Are you okay?
I'm all right.
Do you want to come with me?
Yeah, of course.
We've got a little surprise for you. I'm very happy to say you have won yourself a Defender worth over £100,000.
Oh my God. Are you serious right now?
I am 100% serious. Go and have a look.
Oh, Jesus. This is really mine. It's amazing.
Yeah?
It's absolutely amazing. I've never ever had a car like that.
Not like this?
Never ever.
No.
Been driving for like 20 years, but never had a car that nice.
So you need a bit of an upgrade.
Yeah, of course.
And obviously you were just saying you just had a brand new baby daughter 3 days ago.
Yeah.
So
she
maybe
came with a look.
She came with the luck,
Yeah,
exactly.
big look.
How does it feel actually sitting in there?
It's I don't know what to say, man. I've never ever seen in a car that nice. It's really amazing. Seriously shocked. This is amazing.
It will take a while to sink in, I think.
BOTB is the best. I want everyone to play. I never thought in a million I would win. I couldn't have anything better than this. Anything. This is amazing.
The car you've won will be brand new if
Okay.
you choose to take the car, obviously.
All right.
So this one is an example, so it's a little bit different. Under the bonnet, you've got a supercharged V8 engine with over 500 horsepower. So yeah, it's not only, it doesn't just look nice, it's also really powerful car too. Can you picture yourself driving a car like this?
It's a big dream. Always my dream to have a nice car. I never had the big money in nice car. I've always had the responsibilities. I told myself I really wish one day, and it come true.
It's come true.
It's amazing.
Can you believe it?
I'm really happy. I'm so excited, especially after the baby. We do really need it. Change in our life.
So obviously you don't have to take the car. You could take the cash alternative too, which is £76,000, I believe. So the cash alternative is a huge amount. Have you got any thoughts on if you'd go with the car or would you go for the cash?
I really do like the car. It's amazing. It's beautiful, but I think we might have a little discussion with my wife, to be honest.
Your wife,
she's shocked as well.
Yeah, exactly. So, she needs to be considered. If you were to take the cash alternative, what would you spend that kind of money on?
I would probably do a renovation for my house.
Nice.
And also, I'm really wanting to set up my own business. So it's a big surprise.
You've got the pass, haven't you? The BOTB Pass?
Yeah, I did it about 4 months ago, I think.
Okay, so not too long.
Yeah.
So, what are you going to be doing to celebrate this win tonight?
Today I'm going to bash you out all day. All day. I'm just going to pie, be happy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You made my day. It's a really big day. It's something really big. Life-changing.
Life-changing. It really is.
It is really life-changing. I never thought that I would win anything. Amazing feeling. It's absolutely amazing. I would say to anyone, if they want to play BOTB, it's the best. Play there. That's the only place they should play.
Well,
Thank you so much.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Do you want to have a BOTB hug?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on then.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome. I'm so happy for you.
You made me really happy. BOTB, they're the best.
And now be our next winner. This fully spec'd Volvo XC90 for 6p.